Look at shoe factories, first class. Yeah.
How much was it?
$40 each. 40-minute trip.
To Changzhou South Station, which is really close to the hotel I'm staying today and tomorrow.
So we're going to look at 5 or 6 different factories. So it should be good.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next stop is Xiamen Bay Station.
So I've just got off the bullet train. Faye's just getting us a taxi at the moment to go to the hotel, and then we're going to go to the first factory. They're actually going to send a car to pick us up. I'm going to put all the samples and everything in my backpack, and yeah, we'll go from there.
This is where we're going.
So it's the day after the Jinjiang trip. Definitely learned a lot, very eye-opening. The possibilities seem to be endless. We have a better idea of where we need to go. Hopefully going to make another trip there before we head off next Friday. Try and get some samples back, fill up my suitcase as much as possible.
Make dumplings or eat them?
Is that too much?
Yeah, put it in. Give it a press, give it a press.
Yeah.
Fold it. It has a little bit of elastic. Pinch them. Tangyuan.
Oh, okay.
Say it.
100.
Good. Is that easier than dumpling?
Yeah. Well, it's not really ball though.
As long as you don't make it as a triangle or
Mine's
square.
it's like a dreidel.
Still can't make it round. That's the dumpling we made. I'm very surprised they actually didn't break.
Damn, mine looks the best. So I got back from Jinjiang last night. It was a second trip there. Found a few more suppliers, also some massive, almost like shopping mall type areas that just had all the different shoe components there. That it would have been good to have probably 3 or 4 days there. Very happy with what we were able to achieve. I'm too excited.
Ja, cool, bizarre.
So I just got back from China. This is all the stuff that I managed to bring back with me. Come and have a look at what I got. So these are just some of the material swatches that I was able to get. This place had so many swatches. You can see all the different types of materials that they can produce in all the different colors. And then the TPU factory I went to, they gave me a swatch booklet as well. So the TPU goes on usually a mesh material and then it's heat pressed onto it. And just one other thing, I did actually get another sole. I was too excited when I got back from China and decided to test it out straight away. So this is on a retail Samba upper, and you'll see the full video of this in a few weeks' time.